Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening both Word and Excel. Get the files ready now. In Excel, import or paste raw data, format headers, and apply table style so references stay stable. In Word, create a document, set margins, and insert placeholders for data or labels. Once done, save both files to OneDrive or a local folder to preserve versions. Make sure file names include the date and version. This initial alignment prevents lost links and makes the next steps faster and repeatable. Next, build a clean Excel table and define named ranges for any data you will reference. This simplifies linking. In Word, use mailings for personalized documents or insert object text from file to pull in content. Alternatively, paste special as linked Excel content when you need live updates. Once linked, apply Word styles for headings and Excel cell formats for numbers and dates. This keeps appearance consistent, and make sure to refresh links after changing source data so your Word output stays accurate. To finish, update Excel with the latest numbers, then in Word choose Update Links so embedded tables refresh, verify page breaks, and run a quick spell check. Once satisfied, export the Word document as PDF for distribution, making sure tables fit and fonts embed correctly. If links break, reopen the source Excel file, confirm named ranges still exist, and relink the object in Word. This fixes most issues. If problems persist, save copies and rebuild the link in a new document to isolate the error.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.